In the heart of a vast and untamed national park, where the towering trees reached for the sky and the rivers danced with the melody of nature, lived a young woman named Emily. With her spirit as free as the wind and her eyes as bright as the stars, Emily found solace amidst the breathtaking beauty of the wilderness. As a nature enthusiast, Emily spent her days exploring the hidden wonders of the park, tracing the winding paths of ancient trails, listening to the whispers of the forest, and basking in the warmth of the sun as it filtered through the canopy above. One fateful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky in shades of pink and gold, Emily found herself drawn to the tranquil shores of a secluded lake. It was there, amidst the serene beauty of nature, that she crossed paths with Adam, a wildlife photographer with a passion for capturing the untamed beauty of the world around him. Their eyes met across the still waters of the lake, and in that moment, something shifted, a spark of recognition, a glimmer of connection amidst the vastness of the wilderness. With a smile as warm as the summer sun, Adam approached Emily, his camera slung over his shoulder and a twinkle of curiosity in his eyes. As they exchanged introductions and shared stories of their love for the outdoors, Emily and Adam discovered a shared passion that bound them together, a deep reverence for the wonders of nature and a desire to capture its fleeting beauty for all to see. With each passing moment, their bond deepened as they explored the hidden treasures of the park together, chasing waterfalls, tracking elusive wildlife, and marveling at the majesty of towering mountain peaks. Through shared adventures and quiet moments of reflection, they found solace in each other's company, their hearts beating in rhythm with the pulse of the wilderness. As days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months, Emily and Adam's friendship blossomed into something more, a love as wild and untamed as the landscapes that surrounded them. Together, they reveled in the simple joys of life, the warmth of a campfire on a chilly night, the laughter that echoed through the forest, the shared awe at the sight of a shooting star streaking across the night sky. But amidst the beauty of their burgeoning romance, Emily and Adam couldn't ignore the challenges that lay ahead. As a wildlife photographer, Adam's life was filled with uncertainty and adventure, his camera always at the ready to capture the next fleeting moment of beauty. Meanwhile, Emily's roots ran deep in the tranquility of the park, her heart tethered to the rhythm of nature's heartbeat. Yet, amidst the uncertainties and doubts, Emily and Adam found solace in the knowledge that their love was a force stronger than any obstacle they might face. With each passing day, they grew more deeply connected, their bond forged in the crucible of shared experiences and mutual respect. Together, Emily and Adam embarked on a journey of discovery, immersing themselves in the wonders of the wilderness and the mysteries of the natural world. From the snow-capped peaks of towering mountains to the hidden valleys cloaked in mist, they explored every corner of the park, their hearts filled with wonder and awe. With Adam's keen eye for beauty and Emily's deep reverence for the natural world, they captured moments of magic and wonder that would last a lifetime, photographs that told stories of love and adventure, of courage and resilience, of the enduring bond between two souls united by a shared passion. And as they stood hand in hand atop a windswept ridge, watching the sun sink below the horizon in a blaze of fiery hues, Emily and Adam knew that their love was a beacon of hope, a light that would guide them through the darkest of nights and the stormiest of seas. As the seasons changed and the landscape shifted beneath their feet, Emily and Adam's love continued to flourish, filling their lives with joy and wonder. And as they stood on the threshold of a new chapter, they knew that their love was a journey, an adventure waiting to unfold. Together, they embraced the unknown with open hearts and open minds, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. For in each other's presence, they had found a sense of belonging, a feeling of home amidst the vastness of the wilderness. And as they stepped out into the world hand in hand, Emily and Adam knew that their love was a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, a reminder that love knows no boundaries, no borders, no limits. For in the end, they knew that love was the greatest adventure of all, an adventure they would embark on together, forever and always.